Hi everybody, this is another presentation of True Nano graffiti armor. This time we have been given an internal panel from one of Metro's trains. I believe this is one of the newer trains, which is a fiberglass type panel that has some form of a gel coat or a plastic coating. And we have treated certain sections of graffiti armor and left others untreated. So we'll start from the bottom. Down here we have two blue lines. The section with the sticker on it has been treated with graffiti armor. This hole in section there has not been treated where the Metro sign is. Then slightly above that here to this blue section up to there we have graffiti armor, and then finally at the top there we also have graffiti armor on that section. As you can see, the section in between has not, and we've been trialing some products on here for a few days now, and you can see shadows being left behind from permanent markers. That was just a standard permanent marker in blue, and over here we have some staining from an ink, a black ink, a very popular ink that vandals use. So what we'll go ahead and do is we'll just tag that section here and that section there. We shall leave the bottom two sections for further testing and also down the bottom. So we'll go ahead and we'll start tagging over here and we'll see what the outcome is. And once we tag it, we'll leave it sitting there for quite some time so that the tag can have its time to do its thing, and that is to penetrate into the nano coating. Okay, the first one what we're going to do is we're going to use the Artline 100, which is a permanent marker, and we're going to write the word nano on here, N and O on there. And this section up here, which hopefully you can see, I'll also write the word nano. We'll write True Nano on here. Like so. And next what we'll do is we'll use a black ink. I won't show the brand name of this ink, I'll just show you, yes I will, I'll show you that it's called Blackie, and we're going to apply that with a rag, and this is extremely potent stuff. So we've just got a normal standard rag here that we're going to dip this ink into. It stains everything, my fingers and the lot. So we have the black stain, and we're going to write nano on there, like so. You can see it's gone through the rag and onto my finger. We'll do the same thing again over here. Like so. So we're going to leave that to sit now for quite a while, 10 or 15 minutes. Now you've got to understand that these tags on these panels normally don't get removed till late at night. If they're offensive, they have to be removed within 24 hours. But we're just going to leave that on there for 5 or 10 minutes, and we'll show you the difference between the treated surface and the untreated surface on this particular internal panel, which has been supplied to us by Metro Trains Melbourne, and there'll be a huge difference in between the two. So we'll come back, we'll display the time that we started this, and we'll also display the time that we've cleaned it off. Okay everybody, we're back. I think it's been about 10 or 15 minutes since we've put this on, so it is dry and it's not smudging. So what we're going to do now is attempt to remove the graffiti with our recommended cleaner, and we'll do the nano section first. So we'll just spray that on. And we'll just spread that around a little bit so that we can see what's happening there. As you can see, that's already working, so all we need to do is just wipe that surface completely clean, restoring it completely to what it was. And with the section underneath, when we clean that off, the cleaner is fantastic. However, you can clearly see where the shadowing has been left behind, right across the whole surface. You can see that it is blue and black from the stain, whereas opposed to up here, it's extremely clean, just like it was, no damage to the surface. This can be done hundreds of times without worrying about destroying the substrate or destroying the surface of the nano coating, and it will always allow you to have your surface extremely clean without having the concerns of stains and shadows and vandals and etching of any kind. So there you have it, another presentation of the True Nano Graffiti Armour, this time on the brand spanking new panel from Metro Trains. If you have any questions or any concerns, feel free to contact us on at our website at www.truenano.com.au. Thanks for watching.